Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to SL Preem. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone SE 2020 edition. So we're going to check to see if there are any new changes or if there's any extra accessories or whatever. Let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, I already removed the packaging material. All you want to do is just slide right up. So yeah, you get the standard packaging designed by Apple. Then you get a couple of little packaging stuff, manuals, blah blah blah. So this is a product red, as you can see. And of course you get the SIM card ejector and then a quick start guide. So yeah, pretty basic stuff, nothing really new. And of course you get your Apple stickers. So yeah, so far nothing new. And what's kind of funny is, as you can see, this little pull tab is actually supposed to mimic the iOS gesture navigation, and obviously the iPhone SE doesn't have it. It's still funny to see that's there. So yeah, you get the phone itself. The iPhone SEs only come in black fronts and then red and a bunch of other colors I don't remember, but red is honestly the best. And then you also get standard 5-watt charger. So the iPhone SE is actually capable of 18 watts fast charging. So if you want to charge your phone a little bit faster, I would consider getting a faster charger. As you can see, designed by Apple, 5 volts equals 1A, which means it's only 5 watts. Anyways, you just get the standard headphones, so nothing special. And of course, these are Lightning because the iPhone SE does not have a headphone jack. As you can see, no headphone jack in sight. And you also get the standard charger, no USB-C, still Lightning. So yeah, it's pretty basic and there's really nothing else. So yeah, that's about it guys. Another unboxing video for you guys, and there's nothing new. It just comes with the standard parts. No fast charger or anything. And yeah, that's about it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.